Look, this is fantastic to see the stories of treaty settlements brought to life, told through new media, new technology, and to be able to be shared within our schools and our education system. It's a fantastic new initiative. I think incredibly important that we understand our own history, New Zealand's history, and this project is helping that next generation to hear those stories, understand the history of New Zealand and the treaty settlement process. We're nearing the end of treaty settlements, but that doesn't mean we shouldn't share the stories.
I ngā taukua pahure haere au ki tāku haerenga mō te tiriti mō te hikatu o Ngāpuhi, I kite au I ngā kaumātua e kōrero ana mō tā māua tō mātou hitori, I tēnei wā I kōrero au mō ia tangata o Aotearoa tēnei kōrero. Mō ia tangata o Aotearoa tēnei kōrero. I've always thought that it would go a long way for every New Zealander to perhaps sit in one day of a settlement hearing on the marae. This project is actually going to allow us to make that happen even better. So I'm pretty stoked to support alongside the Prime Minister this project.
Yeah, I think when I saw the visuals of the students learning about their own stories, their own history in Ngāti Awa, that was particularly powerful. Imagine for teachers a resource where you could pull out the local treaty settlement story and share that with your students, many of which will have ancestors themselves who will have been involved. It really brings those stories in our education system to life. It's the kind of teaching that we should have in our schools.
And going back to what you were saying, this is definitely Crown Māori relations in action. Would you both agree?
Yeah, absolutely. And we've always been an oral people as well, where our traditional systems of transferring knowledge were of course destroyed in colonisation. Now we're getting our way of telling stories back, and we're using new and modern technologies to do that.
Yeah. Te Arawhiti, I think, is a manifestation. It's the bridge.
And we've always been an oral people as well, where our traditional systems of transferring knowledge were of course destroyed in colonisation. Now we're getting our way of telling stories back, and we're using new and modern technologies to do that.
Yep.
Mā tēnei kaupapa te tai e ea ai ngā hara o te kāwanatanga o mua. Kia miki, kia hau atu ai he wairoho, kia tūranga tira I tātou te iwi. Nō reri tēnei nā, tū mai Ngāti Awa. Ko ina te kōrero a tō mātou kuraua. He rini, ana ko Ngāti Awa katoa whakai ana. Tū mai a Ngāti Awa. I ara ki a Ngāti Awa e putu ana I te wā o taraupati. Timatanga hou, ko puta ki te whai, ki te amarama, tū mai Ngāti Awa. Nō reira, ko ina a Ngāti Awa I tēnei rā. Ko tūranga tira, ko tū mārama, ko mōhiotia te haere whakamua. He paenga mō Ngāti Awa, me ngā iwi katoa, me ngā Pākehā hoki o tēnei motu. Up to now, the Tai has given us an opportunity to share our journey, to share the positive things that have empowered our people. In terms of Ngāti Awa, to stand strong, to stand firm, to forgive what happened in the past, and that healing process then is enabling for us to move forward with confidence into the future. Tū mai Ngāti Awa as descendants, as people of the tribe of Ngāti Awa.